using one hand. Bear with me, guys. Here we go. Yeah. Let's just wait for the click. Nice one. Now the second one. Okay, we're gonna start with this. Remember, don't have a camera guy. Let's make sure everything's fine. Okay, I think everything looks fine so far. You have to wait for both clicks, right? That's from that side. Then it's from this side also. Yeah. We managed to install them. Let's check them out. Switching on the PC. Oh, I forgot. The power back button wasn't on. Let's try it one more time. Okay, there we go. I don't know who's calling. I will answer it. There we go. Now I just needed to press the restart button on my PC. Maybe it was the BIOS or something that has to do with it. So let's go ahead and check the RAM. Memory is here. It's 29 gig. Oh, of course it's there too. Then the speed is 2400 megahertz and it's supposed to be 3200 megahertz. So let's go ahead to the BIOS and fix that. Don't forget, I'm using my hand to record and the other one to show you all. So I'm gonna use the mouse. So we're gonna enter setup, then we're gonna come here. You can see our speed is 2.4 megahertz and it's supposed to be 3.2 megahertz. So we're gonna go to overclock settings. Then you see it says auto here and it says AM XM disabled, so it's supposed to be profile 1. As you can all see, profile 1, it brings the original thing to 3.2. I think even profile 2 does the same thing because I've already set it my profiles. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be. So one more time, we're gonna hit F10 in our keyboard and save. Then again press F11 on my keyboard, because if I want to enter boot menu I press F11, and let's just wait for it. You will see from that 2.4 it will say 3.2 megahertz. So we have entered the boot menu again. We're gonna go to setup. As you can see, the speed, the DDR speed is 3.2 megahertz, which was supposed to be like that. Then we're gonna exit without saving because everything's fine now. Then we just wait for it to load. Yeah, it's done loading. Let's check it out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you from the soft. Excuse me people, the phone that I'm using was getting low, hence the resolution. So we're gonna go ahead and click on performance, of course the RAM. Then when we go here, as you all can see, let me just zoom it for you. The RAM is now running at the full capacity speed, which is 3.2 megahertz. Fifth dog is out, yo, aka your friendly neighborhood. Peace out, family. See you on the next one.